So in order to understand about the image processing thing and object detection part, so let me just give you a glimpse to the back all the previous lectures that we had discussed today. So we have actually discussed about how to do like the image classification thing, right? Using a CNN library, and we know that how the CNN flow, the entire CNN flow works, right? We know other thing as well, right? We wanted if you really wanted to like do the classification part using a TensorFlow library, we have done that. Okay, we know that what is the like the distinction between the image classification, the object detection, and the image segmentation part, right? So these things we have already discussed before, right, in a very depth. Now before like moving it into the object detection part, I really wanted to like take you out from this today lecture is doing some little image processing part, okay, the image pre-processing part, because I see a lot of people, even the experienced one also, are like getting lagged in these kind of commonality thing, okay, because they actually don't know that how to like pre-process the image, how to do a very common operation on the image, like how to diminish the pixel size, how to do the image resizing operation, how to like convert the image into the byte, into the numpy, right, how to like cropping the image, how to like draw the bounding box over the image, how to draw the zone, how to like convert the image into the RGB format, GRB format, how to do the Gaussian blur. Okay, so other things, because like OpenCV libraries and Pillow libraries, which I'm going to discuss now, is going to help you a lot, right? You will feel much more confident about like doing the image processing thing by your own. Okay, and OpenCV, I will tell you that OpenCV is basically a kind of open source library or tool, okay, which is like coming up with the different image pre-processing classes and models and its own pre-trained many different libraries for doing the different tasks. Similarly, like when it comes to Pillow, so Pillow is basically a PyPower repository which helps you as a user to like do all these kind of a image pre-processing thing, okay, because these things are very vital, okay, in order to become a good image processing or computer vision engineer. So you need to have a command on how to do the image pre-processing thing by your own, right? So let me just move forward into the code, right? So I have already prepared a document for you, okay, so that you don't have to like worry about it, right? So these things are basically like, this is the common import which I'm supposed to do. So these are basically the import that I'm supposed to do, which is like the CV2, the version 2 of the computer, the OpenCV libraries. Then this is basically the NumPy for doing the NumPy operation. From the Pillow, I am supposed to import the image draw, the image font, and the image enhance. Okay, so these are basically the subclass. From this subclass, there will be many modules. Okay, I have picked up some modules just to show you that how all these things are actually working, right? Now from matplotlib is basically for plotting the image into the kernel. Okay, for request, so request is basically if the image is already in the URL link, so I will be like fetching the URL link into the physical file, right? Then again bytes IO for doing the bits and bytes operation. And when it comes to OS, so OS is basically like doing the common local directory changes and other thing. Okay,